Friends, let's be honest, most people think building a professional brand takes designers, expensive software, and hours of work. But what if AI could do most of it for you in just a few minutes? I am Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we are diving into designcom, a next-generation platform that doesn't just use templates. Instead, it generates original, commercially safe designs, tailored specifically to your business. We'll explore everything from creating an intelligent logo to generating social media posts and business cards. We'll also create a website, which is powered by AI that understands your brand. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's jump in and see what this tool is all about. Folks, design is no longer just about drawing. It's about intelligence, and designcom offers just that. It is a cutting-edge AI platform that creates professional branding at the level of top agencies. This isn't just a collection of templates, but a smart system that generates unique, commercially safe solutions for your business in seconds. The platform combines the expertise of professional designers with the power of artificial intelligence. It also features one of the largest AI-powered design libraries in the world, with over 1 million unique designs. From logos to websites and social media content, your entire brand ecosystem can be created in one place. Guys, let's try it in action. We enter our brand name, Evergreen Smart System, and hit Generate. From there, we can search using keywords, and the system will suggest logos that match our brand perfectly. We can also explore recommended searches and choose what fits our identity best. And importantly, these aren't pre-made templates. They're AI-generated results trained on the best design examples from around the world. Every element, from shape to icon to typography, works together to build a strong professional brand image. Mates, let's select this logo. Now comes the real magic of AI editing. Instead of manually dragging elements around, we can simply give the system instructions using AI Edit. For example, I can ask it to add a minimalistic leaf icon. Instantly, the AI seamlessly integrates a leaf into one of the microchip elements, reinforcing the evergreen concept. The result feels natural and well thought out. Friends, we can also ask it to add minimalist signal wavelines to emphasize communication. And just like that, the new element blends perfectly into the design. Everything stays visually balanced and cohesive. Once we're done editing, we can move into the full editor provided by designcom. Here we can download our logo by selecting the package that suits our needs. We then choose a pricing plan and complete the payment. Guys, after that, the system unlocks the next step of the process. One of the first things it offers is to create a website based on our logo. We can immediately preview our contact details and see how the system builds the website design using the colors from our logo. At this point, it becomes clear this isn't just about creating a logo, but building your entire online presence. The platform generates a professional web page that is fully aligned with your brand style. Folks, take a look at this layout. The AI has automatically applied the purple tones and unique visual elements from our logo. And this isn't just an empty template. The system uses intelligent content generation to provide relevant text and structure tailored to your industry. You don't have to design anything from scratch. The system already handles composition, layout, and visual balance. All we need to do is fill in our details and publish the website. You can use a free domain or even connect your own. Within minutes, you have a fully functional online presence with working links. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now here's where it gets even more powerful. Based on your logo, the system can generate hundreds of additional designs, all adapted to your unique style. You'll see a wide range of options, each one consistent with your brand identity. Some templates are marked with an AI label. This means the system has generated not only the design, but also the text and visuals specifically for your brand, based on your name and positioning. It even builds the color palette directly from your logo. Folks, for example, you'll notice how the purple gradient automatically appears across business cards, Instagram and Facebook posts, letterheads, and even t-shirt mockups. Everything feels unified and professionally designed. This is where everything comes together. You create your logo once, and you get a fully packaged business wrapped in professional design. Once you choose your final version, the platform provides all the formats you need. That includes everything from flyers and posters to Instagram posts and stories, and much more. You're not limited to one output. You get a complete set of ready-to-use assets for every platform. Mates, you can also continue working inside the graphic editor. Here, you can explore different layouts, adjust elements, and make edits with ease. If you want, you can even experiment with completely different templates to see what works best. When it comes to downloading your files, you can choose the format that suits your needs. From raster PNG files to scalable SVGs, for large format printing like banners, everything is covered. And all of it comes with a full commercial license and guaranteed originality from design.com. Guys, if you need a business card, just click on it, customize the details, and you're done. Your card will be ready to download in multiple formats, fully prepared for use. Creating a professional website is just as simple. Design.com can generate a landing page for your business instantly. And this isn't just a simple link in bio page. It's a fully functional website designed to work with your clients. You can publish it, preview it, and share the link directly with your audience. Next, friends, your brand isn't limited to your screen. Design.com gives you access to over 50 tools that cover every need of a modern business. There's even a dedicated social media section where your Instagram and Facebook posts are already prepared for publishing. The AI doesn't just place your logo onto designs. It instantly generates visual elements and writes text tailored specifically to your niche. So everything is aligned with your brand identity. You can create presentations, posters, YouTube banners, and even materials for offline marketing, all generated in seconds. Every design automatically inherits your color palette, ensuring consistent brand recognition across all channels. For networking, the platform also offers modern digital business cards that can be easily shared via smartphone. And of course, all your designs are available for download with full commercial licensing, ready to use anywhere. Alright, my friends, let's wrap things up. Today we explored design and saw how quickly it can turn a simple brand name into a full professional identity. From logos and social media posts to business cards and websites, the AI handles all the complex design work while keeping everything consistent and polished. And the best part, you can start completely free. Get a logo, website builder, link in bio, and digital business card, and also 50+ AI tools for social posts, flyers, and more. Build your business for free and upgrade only if you want the full suite. So whether you're launching a startup, a creative project, or refreshing your brand, design makes the entire process seamless. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.